We are going to start lesson 2. So we are in topic 1, lesson 2, humans spread out. In your Google Classroom, you will find your digital notebook. You will also find these lesson videos right here. So let's go ahead and open your digital notebook. You will see there are only 5 pages in this digital notebook. The first page has your 3 vocab words that you've already seen and defined in your Frayer model. Here is one highlighted yellow question. We know that that means that that is a mastery check question. Here are 2 more. Here is a 4th one. And here is that 5th mastery check question. So let's go ahead and count up the points for this digital notebook. You have 3 points right here. 4 questions, so 7 points. 4 more questions, that is 11 points. 2 more questions, that is 13 points. And 3 more questions, that is 16 points. But you know, I'm not going to make any digital notebooks under 20 points, so you will get 4 points just for doing the digital notebook. Let's go ahead and listen to this lesson. Remember, you can watch your e-text. You can use your e-text just like I am doing. You can watch this video and use this video as your guide, or you can use the actual textbook. I do have page numbers next to every question where you will find the answer. So let's go ahead and start this lesson.
You will read about these.
Oops, sorry about that. There we go.
Lesson 2. Humans spread out. Over time, new species of hominins arose. In this lesson, you will read about these human ancestors and the ways they were different from those who came before them. Get ready to read.
Let's go ahead and watch this video. I am going to full screen it.
For at least the last 100,000 years, modern humans, that is, us, have pretty much dominated the Earth. Bigger brains and spoken language helped give modern humans an advantage over other early humans. Eventually, these people left their original homes in Africa and migrated to other areas of the globe. Or did they? Some scientists still think that modern humans developed in other parts of the world as well. Still, a genetic study found the greatest genetic variety in communities closest to Africa. That backed up the theory that modern humans began there and then spread throughout the world. But how? It is a big world out there, and the only way to travel was on foot or by boat. So what caused early humans to migrate? Curiosity? Overcrowding? Months with no rain? A bad crop year? Probably there were many other factors too, but environment definitely played a key role in the move out of Africa. Over time, people scattered to Europe, Asia, and Australia. The Americas would come later. Each new environment had its own climate, plants, and animals. Even the terrain was different. While each new place brought new challenges, it also brought new possibilities. Which plants were good to eat, or not? How could they hunt these strange new animals? For the humans moving into these uncharted areas, adapting to these untested surroundings would be the difference between life and death. Many early humans also had to adapt to major changes in the Earth's climate, an ice age. Temperatures dropped and large areas of the Earth were covered by thick ice sheets called glaciers. To adapt to the cold, people in some places hunted mammoths and built huts and shelters out of their huge bones. If you're wondering what a mammoth is, think of an elephant. Now make it a lot hairier and add longer curved tusks. Early humans whittled bone into needles and sewed warm clothing of animal skins and furs. On the other hand, the Ice Age helped some people migrate to new places. So much water was frozen into ice sheets that ocean levels dropped. That meant there were land bridges where there had only been water before. Probably that helped people move on to Australia and many islands in the Pacific. Probably it was also how hunters first arrived in North America. We've seen how early humans were forced to adapt and change to suit their environments. Why is this ability important to modern humans?
All right, let's continue on. If you scroll down in your e-text, you will see your 3 vocab words. Remember what I want you to do. You can either use these words on your first page of your e-text to define, or an even easier thing would be to open this PowerPoint and go ahead and split screen. And then use the definition, migration, moving to a new place. Use this definition, copy it, Control C, and then paste it, Control V, into your digital notebook. Do that with migration. Environment, definition is surroundings. And adapt, definition is change. These 3 words should not take you very long, so go ahead and pause my video and take time to get them defined right now.